So one of the things that you can do inside of Microsoft Planner is create projects using templates that are available as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on New Plan right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you have an option to go ahead and use different templates, as you can see right here. For example, let's say if you were to click on basic, you'll just have a blank board. But if I were to click on employee onboarding, let's say, for example, then I can simply utilize this template right here, just like this. And you can even add it to a group or add it to the pin plan. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to pin plan and then create a plan right here. So in a while, what happens is that all of the board will be there and all of the template cards will be loaded out. So you can see the employee onboarding right here, and you can see post officer acceptance, technology, paperwork, orientation, feedback, everything is here. What you can also do is you can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, click on new plan and then see all the templates that you have access to as well. So you can see that there's employee onboarding, there's software development, there's project management, business plan, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and choose the one you like and then click on use template right here. And then what happens is that your plan will be created accordingly right here, just like this. And then you can see that another plan has been created, and you can go ahead and then make changes to it now as you desire. So that is how you can go ahead and create out your plans using template inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.